Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to filter data using filter view in Google Sheets. First, click on the column name or header, then go to the top menu and click Data and select Create Filter View. Then a new filter view will appear, and you'll see filter icons next to each column header. Now, let's say we want to filter by gender. Click the filter icon in the gender column and then choose only female. This will show only the female students while hiding the others. You can do the same with the other columns. For example, filter by class level to only display freshmen. Or filter by major to see students in arts. The great thing about filter view is that it doesn't change your original data. It just gives you a custom view. You can even save this filter view and come back to it later. And that's how you filter data using filter view in Google Sheets.